Oh no, Dave, what have you done? We have arrived in Cornwall. It was a very long drive and a bit stressful. It's becoming a theme, this, me being stressed and then not. Hello! So we have got dressed up for no reason other than because we can and it's holiday. And we're staying in Boscastle, we're not staying in the van. Oh wow, let me show you this. For life. I love the way Macy is dressed for the occasion. Look at that. Fish and chips from? Is there a chippy down here? So we've had our first night in our Airbnb. It was beautiful, we all slept well, and just as we do when we camp, it's now gone midday and we're ready to go and check Boscastle out in the day. So we're going to show you around the shops and we're going to climb up to the top of the edge of the cliff and we'll just show you around in the day instead of night time. Is that you snotting in the background? So we've come to the harbour again. That's beautiful, even though it's a bit drizzly. Every time we come to Cornwall, it's like this, raining. But then we are from Manchester, so we carry on anyway. I've just seen Liam the Terrible in a coffee shop, and I nearly said hi, but that's a bit embarrassing. So hi, Liam the Terrible. You probably don't even watch my videos, but he's obviously on holiday, so you don't want people coming up going hi, do you? But if you know me, come and say hi. I'll give you a sticker. I've had one person. Hello, Mandy. Come and say hi, which is very exciting. Right, we're going off this cliff path to the rocks. What's this? There. An empty car park, which is good, but you need the app, Just Park app, and you can park for the full day for £8.40. Apparently, look at the car park now, nice and quiet, but apparently in about half an hour it's heaving, so I'll show you in half an hour. So if you really want to skate without being mithered, I suggest you get here about 6 in the morning. Kettles on. So here we are. Hello.
Hello, darling. When we
Cup of tea and a bacon butty. Go on.
later.
So, Dave, myself and Ruby are
The adventurers of the day.
going to go and check out this park that we're parked in. There is a trampoline park, I'll put some footage in. A soft play area, there's a swimming pool and a zoo and a play park. Well done. Good strength. If you like parkour, it's quite a cool spot, that. So you can get the train from the skate park to town centre, a few other places for a couple of quid. The teenagers are overwhelmed with excitement.
Kids like stop outside.
So Macy and Ruby have gone swimming in the sea, much to our surprise. It's not sunny, but it's not cold, it's kind of just okay. The beach is packed. In true British, I'm here on a seaside holiday, I will go to the seaside. And it's not raining, so that's good. I can't believe they're swimming in the sea. Ooh. Ah! I mean, I bet I never got it on camera. No way. You're just a tit, Dave. You really are. Right, help me up now.
See, I am a gentleman. Oh shit, you pulled me over.
Thank you, my hero. Do you remember, were we in Cornwall when we parked the car and put the handbrake on? The handbrake
Yes,
like
went
came
down
off.
the hill.
We came back, the car had moved. We were like,
Moved.
why has the
Blocking
car
the road.
moved?
Why is somebody's tried
Oh,
nicking the
crap,
car?
it's the handbrake.
It's in the middle of the road.
I haven't hit anyone, thankfully.
Yes.
Get up the hill and they were like this.
Is that slow?
Dave Camp. How'd you get down?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a concern. Ta-da!